All right, this is my Ender 3. As you can see right here, it's uncorrupted. It literally has 3 components. We have the plastic extruder right there, way over there. That's off of the print head, keeps the weight over there. We have, again, the plastic extruder. It's the original body that came with this printer 5.5 years ago. We have the white Bowden tube. And going down on the bed right now is the very first layer. This is layer number 1. All right. As you can see, it's going down very smooth. No warping, no curling, no Elmer's glue or anything like that. It doesn't need it. This is a non-heated bed. I've never needed to heat the bed in 5.5 years. So heating the bed is useless if you're printing in this fashion. So as you can see for yourself, there's no direct drive, no fan ducts, no anything to complicate the print function. As you can see, this is it. This is all that is required to print anything. So I am currently doing a kind of a dual fan duct as we speak. There's no electronic gizmo here, you know, the little probe or anything, because all I do is I tram the bed with this. This is the old school tramming tool. That's it. It's all that's required. So if you're looking to 3D print anything, keep your print head, keep your extruder, keep your Bowden tube. Very simple. This is the simplicity of printing itself. We have the filament over here. It's direct in. It's actually, there's no arms, levers, or gizmos to redirect the filament because it's straight into the extruder. Right there. This is called the extruder. Okay. If that lever ever cracks or breaks or whatever, just print a new one or purchase one from the supplier. But that body is going to work as it's supposed to for 5.5 years or more. You don't have to worry about it. A metal extruder, you have to do E-steps, you got to recalibrate. It's just time-consuming problems. It's not reliable. This is. Okay, we have the white Bowden tube, not the blue one, because it adds friction to the filament around this curve. You don't need that. You don't want that. Keep the white Bowden tube. That delivers filament to a moving head. This is moving. All right, so that is the way that it delivers filament to the print head. We have the Bowden tube, the filament going into the hot end, and this is all that's required right here. This is a fan blowing on a heat sink, which then softens the filament enough to be extruded out the nozzle. That's it. That's all that's needed. Don't overcomplicate the printing process at all. It's just not required. All right. So again, no warping, no curling, no Elmer's glue, no heat. It's a flat bed, flat. That alleviates one of your issues. If you start with a flat bed, already flat, guaranteed to be flat, then you don't need the probe. All right? Then all you have to do is for distance. You just have to set the distance the nozzle is from the bed. The flatness is already established. All right, so get yourself a flat, all the way from side to side, front to back, a flat mirror. It has to be flat because it is a mirror. It'd be a clown mirror if it wasn't. So once you have flatness, that's one issue that's solved. Now go for distance. I have to tram the bed on the tape. Okay, it's not printing out here, it's printing over there. So I have to take into account the thickness of the tape, that's for the distance, and then print. There's no check codes or anything. You don't have to check your flatness, you don't have to do any meshing or whatever the hell that is. You just start your print. So this is it. It's being done right now. So once that starts, I just walk away. Just ignore it. It's going to print till it's finished. All right. Speed isn't an issue. Because again, I want quality. I don't need speed. I don't need to worry about speed because I'm not doing anything. I just go find something else to do that occupies my time until this is done. That's it. I mean, I just walk away from it. All right, so this is how it's done. The E-steps are still at 93 because I still have the original plastic extruder body right there. Okay, so I just keep printing, right? Keeping it simple just keeps it printing. There's no direct drive or any crap around here because, again, it just takes filament, runs it through here and onto the bed. You don't need a bunch of stuff around it to get it through here. It just does it. Okay, well, let me see if I can focus this here a little bit. All right, we'll see how this goes. This is, of course, black filament. It's PLA, and it's going strong. The original springs are still here. Those are original to this printer, not yellow springs, not chunks of rubber. These are the original springs that came with the printer. So my leveling, my tramming is perfect. All right, I guess there's not much more to show, but you can see it working for yourself. This is a standard Ender 3 Classic, right? This is the standard. It's not the Pro. The Pro just has a wider center rail. Maybe a couple of changes in the firmware, but it's the exact same printer. All right, unmodified, uncorrupted. It's literally right there. That's it. Nothing else to share, nothing else to show.